I've got the cedar tree cut down. Well, it's on the ground. It was already blown over. And there's this poplar tree that's also been blown down, and you could almost make a pit blind out of this, but there's quite a bit of debris there. You see how long this thing is. So we're going to cut it at the top and then come closer to the base of the tree and cut it. This has been cut at the top, the bottom first. I'm going to make my final cut right here. This should lift up, possibly. It's supposed to lift up and fold back down, right back into the hole or close to that, because there's going to be some roots that are stuck down in the ground, and it's going to cause a little bit of a spring. So you got to be aware that weight is going to want to come up. So when you're making that cut and you're watching the log, you need to be very aware of your surroundings. If there's some briars right here, I'm going to cut those. So, all right. Run out of gas. Hoping to time that perfectly, but it did not happen. I don't hear any crackling. I'm going to turn the saw on. Well, I'm going to start the saw and I'm going to get into what I consider an athletic style position of retreat. Since my bottom line and my top line don't match up, just cut me a wedge in there. Still no crackling, like a bar. See, it shifts a little bit. Now I can hear a little bit of crackling in there. The wedge kind of fell in. See how it fell? So apparently it didn't have as much tension as I had thought. And that's good because it takes away from the danger of it wanting to flip up. And we walk over cedar tree. We see this other poplar tree. It's also been blown down with this big root ball. I've got it cut off at the top, and it's wanting to, I think, lift up. So we're gonna cut it right there on the top. I've taken my little pole saw and cut the bottom after I dug it out down there so I don't ruin a blade because of dirt. Chainsaw blades hate dirt. So I'll show you a different angle here and start cutting. I hear a little bit of crackling. And that's what you can typically expect. So always try to dig out underneath of these and get a good bottom cut underneath of there, either with a pole saw or this, as long as you do it.